Hi friends, this is Sitso from Sitso's Home Economics and you're welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and you had a great week as well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make SOBOLO or BISSAP drink. Enjoy! I first of all put my ingredients together. Here I have some grains of paradise or estrowisa and efromisa. Here in Ghana, that's how we call it. I also have some cloves, and then I have the BISSAP leaves or the BISSAP flowers. You can add some percocet, ginger, or any other spice of your choice. Next, I'm soaking my spices in a bit of water, and I also soaked the BISSAP flowers or the BISSAP leaves in some water as well. Then after about 20 minutes, I transferred the BISSAP into my saucepan, and then I topped it up with my spices. Now these spices, I only crushed it in some water using this blender. I didn't want to blend it into I didn't want to mill it into a powdery form. I just wanted it crushed so that it would be easier for me when I'm straining. Next, I topped with some water, and then I put my SOBOLO or BISSAP onto my cooktop. Once my SOBOLO started to boil, I left it for about 5 minutes to boil, and then I took it off the fire. I allowed it to cool for about 20 minutes and then I strained it. At this point, my SOBOLO was still a bit warm, and so it was time for me to add my sugar or sweetener. This will enable the sugar to dissolve quickly since my SOBOLO was still warm. You can substitute the sugar with some other form of sweetness such as honey, and it will still do for you. You stir very well and ensure that the sugar is dissolved properly, and then you can bottle your SOBOLO. You can bottle them and keep in the refrigerator for about a week and it will be fine. If not, you have to keep in the freezer. You can also pour on some ice and it will be ready for you to drink. SOBOLO is usually taken in cold, but you can have it warm as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the like button if you did. Also click on the notification bell so that you are prompted anytime I upload a video. See you in my next video. Bye.